My name is Stephen Hinton, and I'm really happy to be presenting this module in Invest in Peace. I'm the co-founder of the Invest in Peace Foundation, which you'll find us at investorsinpeace.com. And just now I'm working at the University of Gävle in Sweden with what I'd like to call Peace with the Earth and the circular economy. So what are we going to do today? Well, the idea of this session is to go from the idea of what we mean by peace to explore what can we do with our head, with our heart and our hands to invest in peace. And so the first thing is I'd like to present our idea of peace. Ideas may be the wrong word, because peace is inside you, it's inside me, it's inside all of us. In fact, if it weren't with us as human beings, it wouldn't be peace. It's something that I can't explain and define, but both you and me and all of us human beings, we can feel it. Now, the idea of investing in peace comes in 4 dimensions. I know, at many times in my life, at war with myself. I know it sounds strange, but a lot of us maybe don't accept ourselves who we are, and we don't accept really that we have peace inside. So the first thing to do is to find peace with ourselves. And really it all starts from there. If you're at peace with yourself, then from that feeling you can do a lot of things, you can be a lot of things, you can help both yourself and other people and even this world. But that's where it starts. The second thing is peace with each other. As human beings, we are, if you like, we're all in the same boat, this beautiful planet Earth. And so getting on with each other is actually a good idea based on that. The other thing is to be at peace with the Earth itself. I think sometimes we see that the Earth is something we need to conquer and we need to exploit. But at the same time, it's like a garden, really. We need to look after our garden. If we look after our garden looks after us. So we need to find peace with the planet, with the Earth that we're living on. And finally, there's a generational aspect to this. It's peace with the future. Our forefathers, our ancestors, were very successful. I'll tell you how I know this, because I'm here and you're here. Now, they were successful and they laid the foundation for the fruits and all the good things that we can enjoy today. So it's on us to do the same thing for coming generations. And so this is the way we think about peace, starting from a feeling of peace in ourselves, inside. We find peace with ourselves, peace with each other, steward the Earth and work with the future. And that's what I'm going to talk about today, how we can invest our time, our thoughts, what we do with our hands, what we do with our money, etc. The first thing I'd like to say is a lot of people ask this, what is it? What is this peace? And as I said before, we all know what it is. And it's built in. It's a free gift. It's actually free, because if you're a human, you've got it. It's that simple. But maybe we don't always remember that. we don't always find it.